Beneath the waves lies a place of wonder, where life flourishes in various shapes and sizes, from the depths of the ocean to the expanse of land and sky. It was no easy journey getting to where we are now, but from chaos emerges the beauty of creation, where life thrives in nature's embrace. However, amidst the Earth's journey, we humans have left a mark that scars the very beauty we cherish. Yet in all of us lies the seed of change. We all have the power to change the situation, to reverse the effects of climate change. Energy efficiency is the fastest, cleanest, and cheapest way to combat climate change. The technology is there. Let's implement it.